Hi guys, it's Cody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I created the second of 3 vests for Sapphire Gentleman from Sakizou. For the pattern, I used the same pattern that I used for my open vest, but I made a few adjustments. I first straightened out the hem, added more buttons, and then created this color blocking panel in the center. Because I already knew this pattern was going to fit me, I went ahead and cut out the pieces for my lining fabric. The main fabric was this navy lining, and the second was an off-white cotton. However, unlike the other vest, I didn't go ahead and sew it all together like normal. Instead, I left the sides open. Okay, onto the main fabric. The center panel is going to be made out of this off-white dupioni that I use for the breeches, and the rest of the vest will be made out of this royal blue micro velvet. And just a quick little reminder from my last video, make sure to cut out the pieces single layer instead of double layer. Next, I use my chalk wheel to make the dart marks and sew them together. I then flattened out the seams with my steamer. I then connected the back and shoulder seams together, but I once again left the sides open like in the lining. Moving on to the center panel, I first interfaced the center panel and then added the piping. After I attached the piping to the center panel, I then connected it to the rest of the vest, first with a back stitch and then by machine. Now to put them together. I pinned the lining to the vest, still keeping the sides open. Hand sew them together with a combination of a back stitch and a running stitch, and then sew them together by machine. Then I clipped all the notches and began turning it inside out. And now it's time for a doggy break. Look at you. Okay, back to work. I then pinned the sides together on the main fabric only and then stitched that down by machine. Off camera, I steamed the seams flat and then sewed the lining portion together with a slip stitch. Okay, almost done. I then drew the buttonholes onto the vest, cut them out, and sew the buttonholes by hand. And the last touch on this vest, the buttons themselves. And with that, the vest was done. In all honesty, the vest itself wasn't too hard. I mean, this is a pretty simple pattern. However, working on it in velvet made it so much harder. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any further questions on how I made it, please feel free to tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to see more cosplay content from me, or if you want to see me dance, please check out my dance channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye-bye!